Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Something you don't see very often on my lot is a Hemi. This thing, Challenger 2012, it's only got 116 on it. Couldn't resist because this thing is just in great condition. The motor's sitting there running, it's quiet, it's smooth, no lights, no issues, no problems. Like all of our cars, it'll be put through the shop, we'll fully service everything. But look how nice this car is. You know, I don't know why, but most of these Challengers and Chargers that I see, just not in great shape, you know, for the older ones like this. But this thing, the paint is nice, the wheels are nice, someone already had good tires all the way around it. Car's just in great condition, so really good value price, go fast hot rod, be a great car. For a Sunday car, keep it in the garage, take it to car shows. Everywhere you look, it's just really nice. We have financing available for even older cars like this. So if you fill out a credit app on our website, we can work on that for you. Carfax is online with all the equipment. If you go to the very bottom of the page, it'll show you all the equipment that came from the factory on this car. And it is a manual transmission, so that's what most people want when they look at an older car like this. Someone's changed the radio to an aftermarket, more modern radio, so you can Bluetooth. You walk around the outside. You can get me on my phone, my cell phone, anytime if you have any questions. Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Older cars like this, like I said, we can still get you financed if you have good credit. Mediocre credit shouldn't be a problem as long as you have a little down payment. But once we get it out of the shop, I drove the car, it drives really nice, no funny noises, blows cold air. The tire pressure monitor's on, we'll fix that. That brake light's only flashing because I have the parking brake set. It's sitting there running. Seats are in good shape, door panels, everything's good. Really no apologies. I don't think there's anything that you could be upset about. Give me a call anytime. Once again, Mike Stout, Sawnee Mountain Motors. Appreciate you guys shopping. Have a great day.